This is a big deal. I'm a little scared.
Okay, so here's the situation. Kilometer zero.
Kilometer zero.
It is sweat that you probably can't see because I can't see it on the camera. Man, I feel it. You feel it? Oh, I see it.
How you feeling?
Feel like we're driving into Saigon.
Do you realize that the back bags are almost as tall as your helmet?
I don't know if it's doable, my love.
Really?
Yeah. Hi. So we've made it to kilometer 5, and it's just not stable. It's not safe. It's not. I'm freaking out, and it's hot as dookie. Just wanted to check in. That luggage is as tall as your head. So we've made it 1 more kilometer, and this is terrifying. Motorcycles used to be fun. It's not fun to ride. And it drives like a U-Haul on 3 wheels. So we have officially made it to kilometer 7. We're still in Can Tho. The driving's been, it's a lot of luggage. So we decided to pull over next to the school because we're always learning new things on this crazy adventure. So you were saying something about you could get rid of conditioner and that would help? Like the shampoo and conditioner? No, just conditioner? Shampoo. If you got rid of the shampoo, that might help, but like, I don't think that's gonna make the difference.
You leave hard drives here.
Yeah, so we have our hard drives on us.
Which is a lot of weight.
Which is a lot of weight. But I don't know what makes it feel so uneven when I'm driving out.
I think it's because one of my boobs is bigger than the other.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll go with that. Okay, so it's like kilometer 9, and I think we've got this under control.
But it's only been 3 hours for kilometer 9. But after
that's a lot of luggage.
After much deliberation, we've decided to continue because we can only lose 5 pounds.
Yeah, it's not about the pounds. It's about the aerodynamicy for me. I wish we could lose this whole backpack right here.
It can happen.
Yeah, this
no
whole
way.
backpack. But
a bird did poop on the seat, and in all of Asia, that's good luck. I feel like you're lucky.
So we got pooped on, which is a lucky thing.
It is a lucky thing.
So let's turn this off and let's see how many kilometers we can get today. Holy! Wow! Whoa! Beep. What the? Beep, beep. God damn, mother! Beep! Beep, 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 beep. No, that like, oh, my whole beep doily. Oh, mother beep. I tweaked. So we've made it, I don't know how many kilometers. It's been a lot of time. 30 minutes?
It's been like 30 minutes, and so I've massaged his hand because his hand has gone numb.
That's not the point.
So is my butt.
Yeah.
What's the point?
And we've made it 30 minutes.
Yes.
And we're nowhere near Saigon.
It's okay.
And it's hot as hell. Oh, it's got 2 directions. It wanted us to go into that parking lot.
Turn right.
Okay, I'm gonna switch to yours, okay?
Okay. Turn right. Head southwest. Turn right.
Oh my god, my neck just popped. You ready?
Yep. Look at this awesomeness.
It's like maybe kilometer 50 or 60. We passed that guy 4 times, he's passed us 5 now. The struggle is real.
The struggle's real, but you're doing so good.
I love it.
I mean, look at this.
It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot.
I'm steaming.
It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot.
I'm steaming.
It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot.
I'm steaming.
It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot.
kilometers outside of Saigon. Traffic has gotten crazy. Our bodies are falling apart. So, just checking in.
It's been a lot. It's been a lot to get here.
We are on the side of the road, somewhere about kilometer 146 in Saigon. And this is what we signed up for, and it hurts.
It hurts. Every bit of it hurts.
It hurts. I'm on one stone, she's on the only 2 stones we could find for our butts. We stopped just because we could stop, stop. Under the bridge downtown. Ah, I like Saigon. Oh, we don't have a blocker. We don't have a blocker. We don't have a blocker. Whoa! I don't know which one we want. Mother flapper. We got Saigon. Hey. Are you good? We're getting closer, but the time's not going down. Oh. Oh, we've got miles on this. Whoa. Mother. Boy. Need you to hold on. Oi, 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 oi! We made it to Saigon. The traffic struggle was real. Yes, we're here, 6:53. Made it in one piece. Mia's looking for the Airbnb because we have no idea where it was. We just had general vicinity and hope we hit the target. It's hot. The traffic here is insane. You're gonna get the cartilage, I'll get the beef ball.
And you can have the testicle.
I didn't see that there was testicle.
We're gonna have testicle.
I asked for everything and they gave us beef balls with testicles.